me a very large target, which Harley, oddly enough, helped construct. I'm going to give each one of these guys a packet of bologna.
Eat it.
Now, the first one to shove the entire thing in their mouth and spit it at this board wins.
Ew!
I'm kidding! We have a game with a little more skill than that. Each of you will get 5 slices. I will give you a spot on the floor you must stand, and then each one will toss a piece at a time, alternating turns. Your goal is to get the highest score by the end of round. Now do you see why I said we need a bigger bullseye there?
I don't think it's big enough.
Your bologna slice must be at least 3/4 in a ring to get points for that ring. If it's half in the 10 and half in the 5, you get nothing. You will notice there is a 9,000 point up here that's also Chuck Norris status. I didn't put it there. If you nail that,
You get nothing.
you actually lose 10 points. So, okay. Alright. On your mark, get set, whoever's first, go. Yeah, your alternate turn.
What if they fall off?
Oh, I figured I'm like 20, but or 15.
It's got to be 3/4 in.
Zero!
Oh, nothing. It did not stick.
Okay, I like
Get off.
You got green meat!
Crush me.
Yes! 25.
Yeah. Right.
7.5. Oh, wait, that's 5. Wait, then you can't bring a tie then. You want to have a tie.
5.
There's 12 slices in a pack, just so you know.
Oh, 5 again.
missed.
Alright.
40. Caleb wins.
Caleb is our winner with 40 points.
Let's get a victory shot now.
That says 50 for me. Right there.